What's up with crypto? Why the sudden dip? Should I buy now at this discount price? All of these are questions being asked by new entrepreneurs that want to get into crypto for the first time but have no clue on what's going on and why it's happening. In this video, we're going to dive into the cryptoverse and talk about it. Like any other investment, crypto is a risk asset. Risk assets are investments that experience a significant amount of volatility in the usual course of the market. Stocks, commodities, high yield bonds, currencies, and Bitcoin are risk assets because you can expect their prices to move up and down frequently under almost any market condition. Until recently, Bitcoin was considered a store of value that was somewhat immune to fluctuations in the value of risk assets. That's no longer the case. Today, Bitcoin and the broader crypto market are influenced by economic phenomena that move the value of risk assets. For example, things like inflation, stock markets, and federal monetary policy. Certain experts say that the reason that this particular decline is occurring this year is because market narratives have shifted from risk on to risk off. Experienced Bitcoin traders are no strangers to bear markets. The price of Bitcoin fell more than 80% in 2017 to 2018 period. But that was before major corporations invested billions in getting into the crypto game. New crypto owners should know how much nerve is required to stick with Bitcoin over time. Rising interest rates and fear about the US economy have triggered sell-offs in growth stocks, technology stocks, cryptos, and other risk assets in 2022. Investors are concerned the Federal Reserve will be unable to avoid a US recession as it aggressively tightens monetary policy to combat persistently high inflation. According to Goldman, a large amount of cryptocurrency is concentrated in the hands of relatively small number of whale investors, which suggests that cryptocurrency sell-off has had little impact on the economy as a whole or the wealth of the average American. In July, investors will be following the developments on the crypto regulation front. U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission Chair Gary Gensler said in June that several crypto exchanges are operating outside the law, and urged the exchange to work with the SEC as it develops a new regularity framework for the crypto market. Whether or not you invest in crypto right now depends on a few factors, including your long-term outlook, financial situation, and tolerance for risk. Crypto should be considered a long-term investment and not a get-rich-quick strategy. If you believe a particular cryptocurrency has long-term potential, you may choose to invest now when prices are lower. But if you're just trying to make a quick buck, this investment may not be right for you. Also consider whether you can afford to invest right now. Because crypto is so risky, it's wise only to invest money you're prepared to lose. If you're struggling to pay the bills or don't have a solid emergency fund just yet, you may be better off focusing on other priorities before investing. Anytime you're going to invest or put money in a project, you need to have a good understanding on where your money is going and how it's going to increase in value. Whether it be crypto or a business you're trying to run, rule number one of investing is don't lose money. You don't need to know everything about crypto, but a few hours of YouTube or research won't cut it. Listen to both sides, the good and the bad, and analyze your position. Only invest what you're willing to lose and be smart with your decisions. I hope y'all found this video very informative. If so, and you want to share the knowledge, share it with your friend and family, or even potential business partners. I wish y'all the best, God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.